Howdy, Michael here. I'd like to tell you about Design Bootcamp, an intense jam-packed design course from School of Motion. It's no small task to dissect a client brief, come up with a concept, and create beautifully designed images that tell a compelling story. We engineered and built entire client jobs from scratch to focus in on specific principles a few at a time. It certainly makes for a tough course, but it also makes for an incredibly effective and efficient course. By the end of Design Bootcamp, you'll have a great handle on choosing colors, composing your images, working with type, plus you'll have lots of practice working out concepts and telling visual stories with your designs. You'll understand how design fits into a professional workflow, and you'll be exposed to dozens of artists that are doing the coolest work out there. You'll receive in-depth and personalized critiques on every single assignment from one of our outstanding Design Bootcamp TAs. You'll be immersed in video lessons, podcasts, interviews, PDFs, and project examples. You'll be using real production assets to create professional quality boards that you can show off in your portfolio. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in Bootcamp.